the good stuff right there. You know what else is also good? Flying. Love flying here at the local field. This is the first time I'm flying the T720 since I hit the self-destruct button and the wings fell off. So I got new wings, and a subscriber told me a way on how to trim this plane to get the fly right. So we're going to try that, see if I can't show you how to set the trim, because the factory remote here doesn't offer any kind of trim. So I hope this is filming right. It's hard to tell where the GoPro's aimed, but I got this thing about as level as I can get it. So the first step to adjust the wing, press the right joystick 3 times, and the red light on the remote control flashes. So there it is, it's flashing. Swing the right joystick left and right to adjust the wing. Adjust the wing horizontal direction. See, so I don't have any problem with that, so we're just going to save that. Second step, to adjust the tail wing, press the right joystick 3 times. So there it is. To adjust the tail wing can be adjusted a little. See, I'm not sure what they mean by tail wing. The tail wing can be adjusted a little bit upward, then press it. So I don't know which way to, because I'm always having to go down a little bit. I'm not seeing any movement. Next up, and the tail wing can be adjusted a little bit upward. So I'm not seeing anything here. So I don't know, we'll just push it up. I don't know. That's about how I usually have to fly. Usually I have to fly with a little bit of down. So I'm gonna push it down like that. Save it. The third step, direction control, adjust the direction plus the right joystick. Adjust the direction with the joystick downwards. Again, adjust the direction over. I'm not seeing it do anything. So I don't know. We shall see. I guess maybe this is just to make sure everything's level. Maybe just I don't think. Ooh, why did I do that? All right, rudder, elevator. We got ailerons. All right. I don't know. Got a good little wind. I will say, man, one thing for a small little plane like this, it does fairly well in the wind. It does fairly well. Like my little windsock, I got some party tape on Amazon and just tie it to the thing, so now I know which direction. But I'm a little concerned here. Look, the elevator's all the way down now. That doesn't seem right. That's gonna make it nose down. I don't think I set this thing right. I think something's really wrong there, because that's just concerning to me. That's gonna make it, like I said, just nose down. We don't want to do that. We don't want to do that at all. So that's the key, is you just hold slowly. Like I said, we'll do this again. We'll pull up. You can see the elevator slowly go. And unfortunately, I can't get any more up out of it. All right, we'll double check again. I got rudder. We got aileron. We got elevator. See, that looks a whole lot better now. See, it's more straight. Before it was. Alright, I think, man, I think we would have crashed if I would have tried to take off like that. Look at the wind coming this direction. Ooh, it's been a hot minute since I've flown. Ah, damn it. Well, good thing this thing's whoa, we're not trying to ground taxi. Yeah, damn it, man. Oh, damn it. I didn't realize I was still recording. Hopefully you saw that. I think the problem was my mistake. I didn't have the rear end, the elevator there, in the right spot. There's a little loop that's they're supposed to connect into. I hate this. This is supposed to be an OPM battery, but it comes with this adapter and it's already very tight. Oh, so. Oh yeah, I think now I got a little bit too much, I think, up the elevator, but maybe not. We'll try. I'd rather have it go up because I can always bring it down that way. All right. Oh, he's an adventure, but I think we got it now. I think we got it. No wind. There we go. Oh yeah, she's doing good now. I think I might have to do a little trim to the yeah, I'm gonna have to adjust the trim that way because it's really wanting to turn. Yeah, it's wanting to turn to the right. What do we need to do? So we need to trim it to the left. We're gonna have to trim it to the left a lot. These are new wings, and I think a little bit less up. Yeah, it's got a little, way too much up. Way too much up. All right, we can fix it. And that elevator, that trim issue. Oh. Man, yeah, wow. Look at how much the elevators are, or the ailerons. So let's do this. Oh, there we go. Look, it's actually doing it. So, oh wow, that's neat. So there we go. That should help. Then do that to save it. This will bring in my elevator, so it's a little far up. There we go. I think that's about level. Save. That should be good. I don't think I got a elevator issue. Can't believe I didn't notice that was that wonky before. Okay. Here's to a good flight. I think we got this thing worked out now, maybe. I'll make sure I'm recording. A little windy. windy for this plane, but let's see. Oh yeah, there we go. I still need a little more up elevator, but I'll take it for now. Man, it's been so long since I've flown. I'm like rusty as... Ooh, yeah. Let's see if we can go low. A little flyby. Oh yeah, see, I need a little more up elevator. Just a little bit. Well, see there, it's doing fine. But if I throttle back, or you know what, I think it's when I'm going this way against the wind, maybe. Oh man, yeah, it's been a hot minute. Remember, the wind's blowing at me, so when I turn down that way, it's wanting to push the plane out of the field here. So see, it's really pushing it hard. That oh, woo! What the heck? Wow! Ooh, good save. I'll pat myself on the back for that. Ooh, man. Guess I just need a little bit more throttle in the turn or something. Man, I was just gonna give up there for a second, let it crash. Oh, damn, freaking gnats are out. It's awesome. This plane's always been twitchy. I mean, it's good. It's got you know, beginner mode, but it's always just been a little twitchy. So I can almost make full turns just on rudder alone. Much aileron here and stall it out again. Man, I'm so glad that guy pointed out about how to do the trim on this thing. I don't know why the wings were so wonky. I mean, they're new, but they just clip in. It's not like it's a new servo or anything, so I don't get that. But we got it, man. We got it. She's flying good now. I think the next step is I'm gonna glue these wings on so that way I don't have another self-eject thing. See how fast it just... It might be a little too much wind for the little plane, but it does really, really good for its size in the wind. Get. All right, let's do a low pass here. This is a cool plane. All right, everyone. Hope hope you learned something here. Adjusting the trim on the T720, it is possible. It's kind of a shame that they don't put it in the owner's manual, but it is possible, and it will make your flying experience great. Check it out. Wow. I said I had a problem, you know, that the great part of the plane is that it's durable. It's supposed to snap apart when it crashes, but that's also a weakness. The last time I flew it, that piece that clips in broke, and the wings came off, and it tumbled to the ground, but it survived. And it just took forever to get new wings. So I would glue them unless you're really worried about crashing and breaking them. But oh man, the trim can be set. All right, everyone, hope you found this informative, entertaining, and maybe subscribe. Watch me fly more RC planes. I do more RC car content than planes, but I do planes. It doesn't get a whole lot of views, so I do appreciate those that tune in and watch the plane stuff. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Links down below if you care to support the channel in any way. Got you some discounts and other things. So thanks for watching. Hope to see you on the next one.